In this tutorial, you'll learn how to change the caption style in your VideoGen project. Customizing captions helps improve readability, accessibility, and the overall look of your video. In just a few simple steps, you can update how captions appear across your entire project. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. Step 1. Open the Captions panel, the dedicated area in the editor where all caption styling controls live, allowing you to preview different caption styles, adjust text appearance, and fine-tune readability to match your video's look and tone. In the editor, click the Captions icon in the left sidebar. This opens the Captions panel, where you can view and customize how captions appear throughout your video. Step 2. Choose a caption preset. In the Captions panel, browse available presets. VideoGen offers styles from clean, minimal text to bold, high-contrast captions. Click the preset that best fits your video's tone, whether it's professional, friendly, or dramatic, and the new style will be applied immediately. Step 3. Customize caption styling. Use the caption controls to adjust the font, text size, and color. You can also enable background styling or outlines to make captions easier to read. All changes update in real time, allowing you to preview the results as you customize. You've successfully updated the caption style in your VideoGen project. Well-styled captions make your videos clearer, more accessible, and more engaging. Thank you for watching. Sign up for VideoGen to follow along, and for more helpful tutorials, visit our YouTube channel or explore our help docs.